Do you feel the spooky season in the air? I sure do. I think it's time that we make some ghost crafts to celebrate the spookiest season. Spooky season. So the first craft we're gonna make is a handprint ghost. So to do that, we're gonna need some watercolor paper. I'm just gonna take a piece of this. You can also use just regular white paper, and we're choosing white because ghosts are white. And we're gonna take a marker. I'm gonna maybe use this nice purple marker. We're gonna put our hand down like this, and we're gonna trace our hand. Ooh. We got one handprint like that. I'm gonna do one more handprint. And now I'm gonna cut out these ghosts. And we're gonna do this 2 times. Ooh, there we go. Around. And just make sure that this is looking all nice. There we go. So now that you have your 2 hands, you can give yourself a round of applause. You are going to combine these 2 to make your little ghost. I like it looking like that. So I'm going to use my glue to just glue these together. And we're gonna make this a cute ghost, don't worry. So I'm gonna put some glue right on here. Stick that together. And then I'm gonna pick out some googly eyes. I'm gonna pick out 2 googly eyes that look good like for this ghost. And I'm gonna do these 2 like that. And that is gonna be our ghost's face. So I'm gonna glue these eyes right on, like so. 1, 2. This is the ghost we've made with our hands. Wow! We made a ghost with our 2 hands. And now this can be a really cool, spooky Halloween decoration. The next thing we're gonna make is a tissue ghost. So I just took this box of tissues from the bathroom and I'm going to pull a couple out. These are really fun and easy to make, and I loved making these when I was little. Let's take 1 or 2 tissues and just lie them down. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna make a tissue ball. Pull tissues and ball them up. And this is gonna be the ghost's little head. So maybe we wanna do, this is 2, 3, you're gonna feel it out. 3, that's 3, maybe 1 more. 4 tissues. And we stick it right in the middle of that ball. And we're gonna grab one of my favorite things in crafting, a pipe cleaner. Maybe I'll grab an orange one for Halloween. We will take this ball and we will wrap this all up like so. We will use our pipe cleaner and we'll wrap it around and make it look like a little bow tie. Look at that. How cute is this cute little tissue ghost? And now we're gonna draw some eyes on it. So I'm gonna take just a black marker. I'm gonna put 2 little dots right here and right here. So take a look at this spooky little ghost. How cute. But how easy is this to make? I love this craft so much. So this is how you make a tissue ghost. Ooh, happy Halloween. Thank you. Knock, knock. Who's there? Boo. Boo-hoo. You don't need to cry about it. It's just a joke. That is silly. Ooh. The last ghost we're gonna make is a fluffy slime ghost. So to make this slime, I'm gonna take 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm gonna put it in just a tiny little bowl to make our activator. And then I'm going to take some contact lens solution, making sure that it is contact lens solution that has sodium borate in it, or boric acid. And I'm gonna do 1.5 tablespoons into here, so we'll do that right now. You know, you want it precise, but it's slime, so it's all kind of an experiment. And 1/2, it's kind of 1/2. There we go. Stir it up. Stir, 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 stir. Great. Now that we have our activator, I'm gonna take our bowl and I'm gonna dump in about 4 ounces of white glue. This is just normal school glue. You could get it from the dollar store or wherever. And once that glue's in, we're going to take some shaving foam, and you're just gonna put in, you know, enough foam that will cover your glue. And this is what is gonna make our ghost all fluffy. Ooh. Now we're gonna mix this up. So you're gonna mix, 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 mix. And of course it's gonna feel it's gonna feel cool. And fluffy slime especially feels really awesome. So I'm gonna take some activator, pour it in, and stir it around. I can feel it firming up and feeling more and more like slime already. Ooh, ghost. Okay, it's happening. It's gonna start getting harder to stir, and that means it's really getting activated. I really like a slime that isn't super sticky, so I'm gonna pour in the rest of my activator solution. Wow, it is really, really coming together. And now we can start kneading it together with our hands. To make it ghost slime, I'm gonna get a container. Stand by. So if you wanna gift this slime as a Halloween gift, what you do is you put it in a nice container that has a lid. You're gonna add some googly eyes. And that's gonna make it your fluffy slime ghost. We made a ghost just using slime. How cool is that? We made 3 ghosts that were easy and fun to make. I hope you have a safe and spooky Halloween. Hey ghosts, what did you think of these crafts? Boo! Oh no.